Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to change a battery on the Honda key fob. Really easy. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so we've got this Honda key fob. First thing we're going to do before you change the battery is obviously pull this little key out. So I'm going to take this little lever, pull it, that'll release this key. So you have a manual key just in case you know, your electronic lock doesn't work in your Honda. I'm going to take this key, see this little gap right here, I'm going to pop it right in there, give it a little turn so I can separate this plastic portion. Alright, when you pop it open, gotta be careful because this piece right here holds these little buttons together. So if you have it upside down like this and you push, the whole piece will come out. So anyway, you see how this little fob comes apart. Here is your battery. You see this battery type right here. It's a CR 2032 3-volt lithium. I guess I could get a screwdriver, but I don't think I really need one. All you got to do is just take your finger, hold one of these little notches back, and then pop one end of the battery out. There we go. Pop that battery out. Get yourself a new battery. Push that right in there. And we're going to put everything back together, making sure that these buttons are facing down so that you don't pop everything out. Snap it back together. Make sure it's completely snapped together. You see how this piece is still there. There you go. That's it. Take your manual key. Done. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below.